let me show you that this strategy really works. I haven't changed it because it works. Okay, these are my trades on the big account. Okay, and this is from, let me say, last week. Okay, so what I will do now, I'm going to place trades. Okay, these are my guidelines. This one is for the bigger trend. I'm going to show you how it works. And then this one is for the smaller trend. Okay, I hope you still remember that the strategy is the easiest whenever you see price moving upwards, and then the last lower turning point, if it gets broken, then you know it is a sell. Okay, and then on a downtrend, once you notice the last turning point being broken, then you know it is an upward entry point. It's price reversal. So right here, what I have, it's actually what I can call a trend within a trend. I have this big trend, the upward trend. Okay, I have this big upward trend, and then within that trend I have these small trends. Okay, this was like a downtrend, uptrend, downtrend, uptrend, downtrend. So even within these small trends inside this big trend, you can trade the market and make a lot of money. For example, if you look at what happened with this downtrend, okay, that was the last key level, that was the last turning point, and then when price closed above it, you would have placed your buy entry there, and then you would be still holding. You hold until the last turning point is broken. So right now I am waiting for this to be broken, and then I can know that it is a scalp sell. And then on the scalp sell, I watch out for the last small turning point to be broken, then I buy. That's how you flow with price. So right now I'm waiting for a sell confirmation. In fact, it seems as if I have another small turning point up there. So this one, I might as well delete it. Okay, this one is for the bigger trend. On the bigger trend, I had this turning point, I had this one, I had this one. So the moment price comes to close, it will mean that now I have a big trend reversal. So this is where you place the big trade. Okay, don't worry, this is on a 1 minute time frame. It's very easy. You just have to be relaxed. You have to trust the strategy. So let's wait and see if we can have such a confirmation so that we can sell. Okay, right now we seem to have a confirmation. Price has closed below. Okay, not yet. So you have to wait for price to close below in a full candle, then you can sell. So I'm going to wait a little longer and see how things turn out. Okay, now we can be sure to sell. Okay, so I'm going to sell. I've also sold here on my small account. This is a less than $100 account. Okay, I'm trying to grow it, as you can see. So let me hang in there. I'll be back. Let me show you this. Okay, so once price closes below there, you know that it is a sell. But usually you have price going back on the other side. That's what I call the pullback. So this pullback is there most of the time. So you don't start out with a lot of trades. You need to be able to absorb this pressure. But this pullback mustn't go and close above this level. Okay, so you have your stop loss somewhere there. Okay, so I just wanted to show you the pullback. When you see price coming to close above this key level, you don't panic, just know it is a pullback. But what you must know is that the pullback should not close above this level, this highest point. It shouldn't close above it in a full candle. Maybe it can be a wick and then come and close below, but the moment it closes above it in a full candle, it's a different story. It means that price is now heading upwards again. Okay, so that's how this strategy rolls. That's how it rolls. I find it so simple. The only time where I find that we didn't go right or I didn't go right, it's only when I do poor analysis. Okay, let me show you an example of poor analysis. Okay, you see on this uptrend, okay, uptrend, I assumed that was the last turning point, so I waited for price to close below it here. Sometimes you find that this is actually not the last turning point. The last turning point is this one. Okay, so once you identify the wrong turning point, that's where you have challenges. Okay, you have challenges. But right here, seems like everything is going according to plan. If we close below this in a full candle, it will be a confirmation that we are still going to roll down. Okay, but again, we might have a pullback to this side and then drop again, and this pullback should not close above this key level, because the moment price closes above here, you know that it is now heading upwards. Okay, you can see on my MetaTrader, the small account. Oh, this is still very small. Okay, I can't close this for now. I'm going to hold a little longer. Okay, now we have closed below this key level, and that's a good sign. That's a good sign. So once you see this, you hold a little longer again. Okay, you hold a little longer. Your next target is this one. Okay, this is your next target. So here you can take some profits. I'm going to take profits there, and then once price closes below this one, right there you even celebrate, because it means that the bigger trend is now turning around. So that's where you can just close your Meta 5 app and then go and relax, because this is now an intraday.